Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix Facebook watch tab icon not showing or missing. So if you're facing this problem, at first just launch Facebook. After launching Facebook, if you don't find the video tab icon, just click the top right 3 dash icon and just go to settings. This one, settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now after that, scroll down and here you can see this option navigation bar. Click on it. Now click the top, customize the bar. Now after that, in the bottom here you can see video. Just click on the hidden icon beside video and click on pin. Now go back and you can see the video bar is back. Now just restart your Facebook and here you can see the video icon is back. And by this way, if your problem isn't solved yet, you can just do the second step. So for that, just go to Play Store and check for if there is any update for Facebook. If you find any update on Facebook, just update it immediately. And if you don't find any update, here you will see a beta option, join the beta. Just click on join and you can just experience the update version of Facebook and it can just solve your problem. And even after that, if your problem isn't solved yet, the last thing you can do is just uninstall Facebook and reinstall it again. And after that, your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.